So here's a fun game to play. It's Tic Tac Toe with a twist. So basically all I need you to do for this is just set up a grid of 9 boxes, a 3x3. And so we just did this with string on a table. And then get some plastic cups or something that you can easily flip over. And then just mark it with X's and O's. And these are gonna be your game pieces. So obviously each person gets one piece. So you'll be O's and I'll be X's, for example. And so the rules here is that you're gonna flip over your cup. And if it doesn't land face down, you can't put down a piece. Only when it lands face down can you put down your piece and make a move. And so both of you are gonna keep flipping cups, and every time that you get it to land face down, you get to make a move. And you're gonna keep doing this until somebody is able to get 3 in a row. So we'll just do a quick demonstration of how you play this. So both of us are actually gonna flip at the same time. So it's not gonna be a system of one after the other. So you flip at the same time and just keep going until somebody wins and gets 3 in a row. And so you can block that. And so I won because I've got all 3 in a row, but you can only move a piece once it lands face up. So to flip this, what I recommend doing is just hang half of it off of a table and just take your finger and just flip it over. And so have fun.